YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today, as I promised to you, we are starting to film the vlog number 2, and of course we are going to install the Airsuspension to the C-Class. Right here at our showroom we are going to unbox the airlift boxes, and after that we are going to just throw them to the C-Class and drive from here to Plus Autohuolto, where we are going to install them with a Sami Talvitie. Some of you might know him. He is a racing driver and he is a good friend of mine and very good at installing stuff to the cars and maintains those. So that's why we are going there, and of course there is lift, and I don't yet own a lift, so it's a lot of easier to install our suspension on the lift. About the Airsuspension, there will be a airlift performance struts, and of course the air management is from AccuAir. There will be one of these ENDO-CVT and E-LEVEL. The ENDO-CVT is a little bit different tank than a normal one. There is a compressor and of course the walls inside the tank, so it's a compact packet and really much easier to install, and the noise that it's keeping is so much smaller than the normal one. I think it's time to bring the airlift performance boxes and start to unbox those, because we are almost in a hurry. We have like 1 hour and 50 minutes to be at Plus Autohuolto. So yeah, let's get the boxes and start to unbox those. So yeah, as you can see, everything is on the table, boxes are empty. I think it's time to load these to the C-Class and drive to the Plus Autohuolto before we are late there. So yeah, we are finally on the spot, and Sami is doing some cleaning indoors, so we can get the car inside really soon. By the way, that's Sami's Audi and it's really dope. Good morning. We stopped working last night like 1 AM and Sami was kind enough to lend his car for us. So yeah, we have a little sleep home. It's Sunday morning now and we are starting to get ready to go Plus Autohuolto. And we did like 11 hours yesterday and there is still like 1 to 2 hours of work, so we could have finished it yesterday, but we thought it would be better to do it calmly today. Yeah, let's get back to Plus Autohuolto.
Kiitoksia. Jos keli paljon pahenee tosta, niin kannattaa vaihtaa ajovalot päällekin. Niin päivällä voi vaan kirkkaalla päivällä.
Täällä on näköjään automaatti päällä, mutta
ei se tunnista lumikädet.
Joo. Yes. Kiitos. Moro. Fast update, there hasn't been a lot of time to film right here, but at this point it's almost ready. We're wiring at this point the air management system and E-level brackets are ready. We took a lot of time and we had a little bit problems with the front end, but I think it's good at this point. We can check it when we get to the another lift right there, where we can see the movement and see if they are working well. But it's almost ready. Just a little bit wiring and the tank back to the trunk, and then some testing and it's ready. So yeah, the car is now sitting on the ground. We need to lower the front end like 1 centimeter. There is still room for like 6 centimeter, but we can only use the one. And the rear end is pretty nice. Need to lift it a little bit, and there's room to lower it like 5 centimeters, but with 19-inch wheels this will be the proper look. So yeah, at this point we are calibrating the system and it's calculating the highest point and lowest point and making the three levels for the E-level. So there is going to be a high one for speed bumps and stuff like that, and then there will be like your normal driving, and then there will be a one parking level. So yeah, the calibration is now ready, and this is the drive height. Jenny, put that on the one. Yeah, all down. And 3.